This started as a simple piece of wood. Just an ordinary board with no special features. But with the right approach, even a simple material can become something completely different. Today, I'm going to turn this piece of wood into a unique wall panel using a few simple woodworking techniques. The first step is preparing the surface. Before creating any texture, the wood needs to be clean and ready for work. Good preparation is one of the most important parts of any woodworking project. The better the surface is prepared, the better the final result will look. Now it's time to create the desig. And by removing small sections of wood, we can add depth and character to the surface. This is where the simple board starts to transform into something more interesting. There is no need to make everything perfectly identical. The natural movement of the pattern is what gives this piece its handmade feel. Wood is a unique material. Every grain, every line, and every small detail makes the final result different. After creating the texture, the next important step is sanding. Sanding helps smooth the surface and remove rough edges while keeping the details of the design. This is a step that should not be rushed. Taking a little extra time here can make a big difference in the final quality. Now the texture is ready, and it's time to bring the pattern to life. A darker finish is applied to the surface. The finish settles into the deeper areas of the texture, creating contrast between the raised and lowered parts of the wood. This simple technique makes the details much more visible and gives the panel a much richer appearance. After removing the excess finish, the hidden beauty of the wood begins to appear. The natural grain becomes stronger, the texture becomes deeper, and the simple board starts looking like a custom piece of interior design. This is one of my favorite parts of woodworking, watching a basic piece of material slowly become something unique. The final touches are all about ball ants. The goal is not to hide the natural character of the wood, but to highlight it. With just a few simple steps, an ordinary board can become a beautiful decoration for your home. You don't always need expensive materials or complicated equipment to create something impressive. Sometimes the best projects start with simple ideas and a little creativity. A piece of wood, some basic tools, and the patience to learn can turn into something you will be proud to display. That's the beauty of making things yourself. Simple materials. Simple process. Beautiful result. This is Made Simple.